Hola, hola, hola. Hey guys, bienvenidos. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. This is a long awaited video. Guys, it's my fall house tour for 2022. Yay! As you can hear, the thunder is roaring. I gotta hurry up and get out of here before it rains upon me. But guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I do this video every year. I have never missed it since I've been on YouTube, and it would not be I cannot miss it for 2022. I'm super duper excited. You guys always ask me, how does a clutter-free home decorate for the holidays? And I wanted to show you guys how I decorate my home for fall 2022 without wasting any more time. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, let's start on my front porch. My mom's all like coming in, but they're literally almost gone. But let's start here. Here on top here, I have It's So Good to Be Home. And I dripped a little bit of a fall leaves garland on top of it, which I adore. It just pops here so good. And also I have a wreath next to it. This is my first year doing that. I thought I would do something different. And then right on my front porch is a welcome sign, welcome to our hive. And also with a little pillow with the blue truck and pumpkins in the back. Like, this is me in a bottle. I'm obsessed. On the table right there, I have a pumpkin that I DIY'd myself, which I love. When we continue on this side, I have this pumpkin trio here from Hobby Lobby. And then my pumpkin patch little thing that I created myself. It says fresh, pick your own pumpkin. I love it. With my mom's. And also right over here it says, welcome fall. Let's go inside. Okay, so when you enter my home, you get to be greeted by this beautiful wreath, which I love. And then my entryway right here, I kept it very simple. As you guys know, our simplicity here. So this is what it looks like now. I love this. It's from Target. The black one is from Dollar Tree. Can you imagine it? You add a little bit of dry stems on it and it looks super fallish. And everything's just white here with a pop of black. I am obsessed. Right behind my door here, I have a wreath. And I just love the way that looks. And let's go in here. Okay, so in my coat closet, there's no coat there. It's not cold yet, and I don't like keeping coat there, but I just put a little pumpkin there just to give that fall, thing. When you come inside, you're literally greeted by this. It smells so good. Like, oh my God, I have the pumpkin scent from Febreze. It smells so good. It smells like pumpkin and apple mixed together. Let's go into the living room itself. I'm obsessed. It looks like fall without feeling like too much. Let's get to more details. Okay, so on my table here, I have the Target Heart and Hand vase with these beautiful stems are from Hobby Lobby. And then on the table, I just have a book from Goodwill probably, and my candle is from Ross. I love the fact that it looks like pumpkin, and I really wanted to go neutral here. When I go upstairs, you guys will see everything is so colorful, but here we're keeping it very neutral. Now on the table, I have a brown leather pumpkin, and then my candle snuffer, I think that's what it's called. And then this is so me, just so pretty. I wanted to keep everything very neutral and simple, so I did a little gathering of pumpkins right here, and I think it looks so cute. From far, you can't even tell that it's sorry, let me fix my light for you guys. Okay, from far you can't even tell that it has a stem, but it does. It just looks like a gathering of pumpkin from far. Just You see, next to my lamp. You can do fall without it feeling so overwhelming, guys. For me, I really wanted everything to be cozy. So that's why you see that I have different throw blankets everywhere. I feel like throw blanket makes it very cozy and comfortable. You just want to cuddle, drink yourself some hot apple cider or cold one. That's up to you. But I love this throw blanket right here. It's from IKEA. I'm obsessed with IKEA now. I have lots of IKEA items. I just love their Scandinavian take on decor. And I just think it looks super, super cute. On the blue chairs, like, oh, I'm obsessed. Now on my table here, on my couch, sorry. I had a friend who told me, Gladys, can you put some pillows on your couch? And I was like, girl, no, but I'm glad I did. Now here I have a throw blanket from Target. I believe this is a Heart and Hand, if I'm not mistaken. I love the fact that you can see the black and white everywhere. It's just super cute in my opinion. On my TV fireplace, oh guys, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Do you see? Look at the candle. I mean, look at the pumpkins. Just how pretty these pumpkins are. Just the simple, the neutral colors. It just, I'm obsessed. Now this is not fall, but I really wanted something to balance here. And use books, guys. You can get yourself expensive books, cheap books. I'm not the one to be spending money on books. So these books are from the Goodwill or Dollar Tree, mix and match. And I just remove the hardcover of it, and I just keep the book itself. And I really wanted, like I say, to add black in here. And from far with the fireplace, it just feels so cozy. Now I had some wall art right here and a lamp. I removed it. You will see it upstairs. I do not like things that just feel crowded, so I remove the wall art, guys. Like, oh my God, I feel literally like myself. I can breathe now. Okay, so this is my overview for my living room. Again, you can have fall and it can just be simply done. We leave here. It is still feel like fall because I added a lot of throw blankets, a lot of muted colors, a lot of brown and white, and it still feel like fall. Oh my God, I'm obsessed, guys. Just fall. This for me, if I would see this in the picture, I would think this is fall. Just some candles burning with some what is it called, pumpkin, different pumpkin shade and different pumpkin colors. Now these beautiful stems are from Hobby Lobby, and this I got it, the pampas grass, I actually got it from Home Depot. And this was a Goodwill find. This vase is super pretty, and I just kept my credenza very simple. I don't like keeping anything there that just like be too much. So yeah, we are in my kitchen, and in here I am obsessed. I will say obsessed because this, I actually got it last year. This is from IKEA. It says fall without just being too much. It has the gourd, it has the pumpkin, and just super simple. And again, you can decorate with your fruit. If you had some apples, I think that would have been so much better. You can decorate with your fruits and vegetables for the holidays, any season actually. So like fall, get yourself some pumpkins and get yourself some apples. And for Christmas, also get yourself some apple, like apple pie. And then you can grab other fruits and vegetables that you can use to decorate as well. On top of my stove and microwave, I have this sign that says hello, and this was from a place called what is it called, Black Friday. Super simple. I think it was like $1. I was like, oh my God, I just grabbed it so quick. Here is my pantry, and on top of it I have a welcome sign, welcome fall, and this is from the Dollar Tree as well. and just so simple. But I love the fact that the colors remind me of the IKEA pumpkin that I just showed you, and those colors are all in my fall decor. Very simple, and yeah. This is what my entryway looks like. Just simple, and I just love it. With the pompous reef in the back. Simplicity, guys. Simplicity. I cannot stress that enough. Let's go upstairs. We are currently upstairs, and this is the full view for my upstairs. And people ask me, is this your family room? I wouldn't say, because both places have TV. So I don't know if people will call it a family room. Will you utilize every places in our home? But this is my upstairs. Now let me give you guys, just on my couch here, I have this throw blankets, which I love. This is from Home Goods, actually a few years back. And I just love the orange color. As you guys saw, downstairs is very neutral, right? Upstairs is where I came to have fun. With all the colors that I couldn't part with, I bring it upstairs because we don't come here very often like that. So having those color upstairs here, I don't mind it. So on my couch here, I really wanted to add this muted, it's like very muted yellow. It's not like summer yellow, so it's perfect for fall. Now guys, look at that. It has the gourd and then the pumpkin. And this was actually from Target, and it was from Target dollar spot, $5. Can you imagine? It's like so cool. Okay, so on my table here, you guys know that Dollar Tree now is like has like +5 or whatever they call themselves now these days. That's where I got these, almost all of these, except for that's from Walmart last year as well. Now guys, let me turn this thing on for you guys. It's so cute, and I showed you guys that when I decorate up here. Since I don't have a fireplace, I have a basket instead. I played a little fireplace upstairs on the TV just to make it very cozy. And then right there, it lights up with the pumpkin. And yes, I do not have anything on the cubby. I don't like clutter, so no, I kept it empty. I'm gonna paint this again to bring back the white on there. But for now, it will be from house-ish. So right on my side table, these 3 pumpkins again are from the Dollar Tree, and don't mind the dust, guys. And then the pumpkin grass, no, the pampas grass, it's from Ross last year as well. And I'm not showing you guys every details because this is a fall house store. Now, if you guys have a question on something, please let me know and I can give it to you. Now, if you want to switch your decorations around, do not waste money buying what is it called, pillows all the time. Just get yourself pillow covers, and these pillow covers are from IKEA. Yes, like downstairs, right? It's from IKEA, and I just love switching it. So get yourself some pillows and search, and then get pillow covers so you can switch it for Christmas and whatever. And I know there are a lot of beautiful pillows out there, but restrain yourself, guys. Get what you need and you should be good. Don't keep anything on my table. The kids sit here, sit on the floor, sit on the couch, and even having pillows on the couch. As you can see, I only put it sideways, and even downstairs is also sideways because I want to make sure that the kids can sit down. They don't like these chairs. They prefer to sit on the couch. So having too many pillows there just doesn't make any sense. It's not feasible for us. So also on the table, I don't keep anything. If I do keep something on the table, then I won't keep anything here. It's vice versa. I can't have too many things everywhere. It just doesn't look neat to me, and I feel like I have to clean it. Now, on this side here, guys, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Listen, this table, as I showed you guys previously, but I didn't tell you guys where I got the table. The table was from Facebook Marketplace. I got it for about $150. It was $200, but I got it for $150, and I really like it because it's an IKEA table that I wanted to get, but the original price was about $400, and I'm not about that life. Looking. No, it's from Ross, like, and it was on sale too. That was like $4. This was like $6, and I added these, and this is a wooden pumpkin. This I don't remember. I think it's from Walmart, I'm not sure. And then a friend gifted me this. I have a set of two, so I have one downstairs and one up here. And then this pumpkin smells so good. This is from Walmart. They have it this year again. When I went back there, they still have it. And like the black one up there downstairs, this is the gold one, but this is from Dollar Tree. The black one is from IKEA. And yeah, guys. Oh yeah, and then the beaded one is not fall, but this right here is from Hobby Lobby. Okay, let's get to the table. Guys, look at this background. Look at how I'm obsessed. It just looks so fallish. Like, don't mind the fingerprints on my table, guys. I have kids. What is it called? The vase is from Ross, and then the flowers on there from Hobby Lobby. And I got those flowers last year. I don't know if they still have it. And anything that I can link, I will link it for you guys. So yeah, guys, by the table, I still have my ladder. I'm gonna try to sell it because I really want to get an olive tree, and I think it will be much prettier. But we do love blankets, and I don't know where I will keep all my blankets, especially this is where we have our movie night. And then if I store it, then it will have to be in the middle floor. Then the kids will have to go grab it. Then I feel like if I keep it and then I put the olive tree here, then it will just be clashing because it will be too much things. Let me know where you guys think I should put it, because you already know I'm already thinking about Christmas, right? My Christmas tree is going to be on this window, so I can't be having too many things right here. But yeah, this it just keeps all my throw blankets on there, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like, just to give you guys the cozy aesthetic and just simplicity of it. I just like it. If I get the tree, then I will show you guys and then see if I want to sell this one. But yeah, that might be hard to part with.